Alrighty, guys. Here's the PT I was working on last week. Guys, I'm done with it. As you can see, well, you can't see the timing belt, but everything is in here. Is new now. Okay, you can see, look at that nice, pretty, shiny Mopar um, engine support, motor mount, whatever you may want to call it. All right, I had to make sure all the vacuum lines was hooked up. My point is, I was too frustrated to film an actual part two, so it's hard to film and talk or speak while you're working, and you're frustrated while you're working. Can y'all see how tight all of this is? Okay, could you imagine doing this while trying to speak on it? You may end up cursing. At any rate, finished the job. Okay, but there's no. It's pretty straightforward anyway, guys. All I did was put the timing back together with the new water pump and the new pulleys and everything. New engine support. The center mount is replaced and the lower mount is replaced. The only other mount, like I say, is on the transmission side. Now all this is gonna get cleaned up when I steam clean the engine. So this thing should last. I don't know. I think, what is it, 114? I can't remember the mileage, but it should last another 114. I give a timing belt, a new timing belt, 100,000 mile lifespan. Okay, and who knows if they're going. This is a '04 model. Who knows if they're gonna keep the car that long? You just never know. Some people may hang on to their car forever. All right, or until there's no parts available, which is the case now. You can't buy anything hardly new. This battery harness, you can't buy that OEM Mopar anymore. It's PCM. You can't. All right, tip them. This can't be a '04. '04 didn't have tip them, so this is a Gen 2 PT Cruiser with a turbo. Yes, the tip them came out in '06. So that would make this a '06 or higher. And besides, you can't, on the Gen 1, you can't do the battery terminals. But on the Gen 2, they made the battery terminals replaceable, independent of the battery harness. So my point is, yes, a lot of things, a lot of parts you can't get on here brand new, but I can tell you where you can get a lot of parts. I was at Pull Apart the other day, and there's a whole bunch of PT Cruisers out there. So you should not be spending lots of money on parts. Now, granted, stuff like turbos. I did see a turbo PT out there, but who want to take that out on the yard? So be mindful of things like that, guys. All right, now what else I have left on this? I'm gonna go test drive it, clean it up, and test drive it. Well, oh yeah, a part came in. Yes, this. It's amazing. Tail lights are available for this car. I got a part come in, guys. Y'all hold tight. I tell you what, let me take a quick break. When I come back, we're going to get this other part and stuff. Y'all ready? Stay tuned. Let's get it. Oh, this is it. Welcome back, guys. Wow. They want the assembly replaced just because there's moisture in there, guys. Oh, wow. It's not like it's cracked or anything, so this is actually a good. I've been known to install drain plugs. What's happening, in my opinion, is it's not breathing. There's no vent hole in it, so to fix that, I would always air it out, dry it out, and put in or drill in an access hole. But at any rate, customer, look, one of the new ones. Now it's amazing how this is available, but the major stuff to the car is not available. Go figure. It's not my place to decide what gets replaced by customer or not. Look at that. Brand. Wow, I wonder how much this is. I was just at Pull Apart, guys. These are all over the place. So I'm not trying to deter. I'm not trying to. Let me be quiet. But my point is, wow, they bought a brand new Mopar one. Okay. Now, how is the new one designed? Is there a vent hole in the new one to prevent it? Or will this just simply happen to the new? Oh, look at that hole right there, guys. Yes. I'm not sure this is on the old one. So they took that into account. That's why I usually drill mine like right up in here. But I guess somewhere in this area is fine. I don't know. This is interesting, guys. Let me find out. Let me take this off and find out. What's the case? Ooh, look at all that water. Hey, this one got a hole in it. So I don't know. I'm sure that moisture can ruin these bugs. So now, where on earth will the water come out of there? Oh, the water. Oh no, that's just a hole for the screw, guys. That's not a drain hole. So what is the difference between, in other words, well, I still have the same problem, guys. That's what I'm trying to see. Is this considered a vent tube? Because I got one right here on the new one and one on the old one. I don't know, guys. So they obviously, I'm not gonna drill in the brand new one. No, I take that back. I was venting mines like right in this area. But I am not gonna drill in this new one. I'm just gonna put it in. If moisture get in that one, so be it, I guess. I don't know. I'm not gonna compromise a brand new. Look, this is not, again, this is not broken. We could have easily aired this out and put it back in. Unless, yeah, I guess moisture would get on these. And they get new socket outlets. So I'm just gonna simply plug the socket into here. I don't know, guys, it's not my call to investigate, you know, such things. So I will not bother to figure this out. I will, however, get this new one put in. All right, so y'all hold tight. Let me get this in. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm just gonna simply got the new one installed, the lights plugged in. Again, kind of stumped. Not sure how this is gonna repair the moisture entry problem. Okay, but I'm not here to figure it out. I will, however, keep this. Yeah, I'm gonna hang on to this, air it out, put it in the car, and just keep it for my next project. All right, guys, I'm done with this. Let's go test drive this thing. Y'all ready? Y'all gonna go with me? Let's get it, man. Alrighty, guys, I am now headed on a test drive. All right, guys, first thing I look at when I'm about to do a test drive is this. Y'all see that? Now, I got enough gas to go 4 miles, which is my test drive route, but that gas light is on, guys. I always take a peek at the fuel light or the fuel gauge when you're about to do a test drive. Now, JT, why are you test driving it? Guys, I just did major work to this car. Major, when I say major, I'm meaning timing belt, water pump, stuff like that. So you should most definitely test drive your vehicles after that. Okay, couple of things I tend to do. Remember, I just disrupted the cooling system. So I want to put this thing on full-blown hot, turn the heat on, turn the AC off, and make sure the coolant will circulate. Now, I bled the cooling system, guys, but take it a step further on your test drive. All right, this is a new water pump. It's going to be pushing a lot stronger now. All right, this heater is hot. I just turned it on. I did not replace the thermostat, but they got a new water pump. Okay, so by doing this, you're helping the coolant circulate. And remember, I had to discharge the AC system. So not only do you check the heater, you check the whoa, it got hot, cold right away. AC clutch just kicked in, it is freezing. So I don't want this customer coming back. Well, I had AC before y'all did it. I am properly charged. I merely put in the Freon that I took out. All right, guys, so that's a couple of things you want to look at on your test drive after a major repair. Now, whoa, guys, this is a turbo. Yes, turbo, the difference. Speed, quickness, things like that. Because this is put inside of a little, and I got my headgear on, guys, so don't panic about me filming and recording. All right, what's the difference between a turbo PT Cruiser and a non-turbo PT Cruiser? Basically, it's quicker, guys. But to me, it wasn't worth that added weight of the turbo, the added metal and the added part, and the crammedness of putting the engine in this body style car. Okay, but during this time, remember, this is a 06. During that era, turbos was, I guess, popular. I'm not sure. All I know is I do not like cars equipped with turbo unless, you know, I have plans for the installed turbo, such as racing and things like that. But That's just me. That's my opinion, guys. Everybody's different. But like I say, guys, I don't want to take a long time speaking on this. I'm just merely on a test drive. I'm halfway through my test drive. Everything is good. No noises. Think about what you did and correlate it into what could have went wrong. Did nothing go wrong? I am verifying that by test driving the vehicle. When I get back, it's going to the detail to get cleaned up, and they're going to steam clean the engine for me. That is all I have, guys. I appreciate you guys watching the videos. This is a PT Cruiser. Just got, I apologize for how part 2 went. Some of you guys want to see nuts and bolts and coolant and mess. All right, but due to frustration, I couldn't pull that part out. So guys, I'm done. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. Guys, if you have any question, have no fear in asking it. All I ask of you is to please already be subscribed and thumbs up the video, guys. Thank you. We can get through this a whole lot quicker. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.